Kingdom, we thank you for joining us today for a magical gathering of family, friends, fun, and fantasy. We hope that your magical journey with us has created wonderful memories that last a lifetime. Walt Disney said that the Magic Kingdom is a world of imagination, hopes, and dreams. In this timeless land of enchantment, magic, and make-believe are reborn. Fairy tales come true. The Magic Kingdom is a place for the young and the young at heart. A special place where when you reach a star, until we see you again, have a safe trip home. Thank you and good night.